Balloons are one of those simple things that can bring instant joy. From birthday parties to parades and grand openings, they have the power to turn an ordinary event into a celebration. But have you ever wondered how these colorful, bouncy objects come to life? Today, we're diving into the fascinating process behind making balloons and how they transform from raw materials into the fun, floating decorations we all love. It all begins with latex, a natural material derived from rubber trees. Rubber trees, mostly found in tropical regions, produce latex when their bark is carefully tapped. This milky substance is collected in small containers and transported to factories, where it undergoes processing to become suitable for balloon production. Latex in its raw form is thick, sticky, and far from the smooth, stretchy material we know as a balloon. It has to be refined, mixed, and treated to ensure durability and elasticity. At the factory, latex is first filtered to remove impurities. Tiny bits of bark, dirt, or other particles are removed so the final product is completely smooth. The latex is combined with stabilizers, pigments, and other chemicals that help it maintain its shape and add color. These pigments give balloons their vibrant hues, from bright reds and blues to shimmering golds and silvers. Depending on the desired effect, manufacturers can mix multiple colors to create unique patterns or even marbled balloons. Once the latex mixture is ready, it's time to shape the balloons. The traditional method involves dipping molds into the latex. These molds are usually made of metal and shaped like the final balloon: round, elongated, or sometimes novelty shapes. The mold is first cleaned and dipped in a coagulant solution. This step is crucial because it helps the latex stick to the mold rather than sliding off. Once the coagulant dries, the mold is dipped into the colored latex, coating it evenly. The thickness of the balloon is controlled by the number of dips. A single dip may produce a very thin balloon, while multiple dips create a thicker, more durable one. After dipping, the latex-coated molds move into a drying oven. Heat is carefully controlled to allow the latex to solidify without cracking or deforming. This stage ensures that the balloon is strong enough to hold air or helium, but still stretchy enough to inflate without popping. After drying, the balloons need to be removed from the molds. This process, called stripping, can be tricky because latex is elastic and can tear easily. Skilled workers or machines carefully peel the latex off the molds. The result is a raw, uninflated balloon. To make handling and packaging easier, balloons are often dusted with a small amount of talc or coated with a lubricant. This prevents them from sticking together and makes them easier to inflate later. Some manufacturers also apply a glossy coating to enhance their appearance, giving balloons a shiny, appealing look that catches the eye at parties and events. The next step is quality control. Balloons must meet certain standards for stretch, elasticity, and thickness. Samples from each batch are tested by inflating them to their maximum size and checking for uniformity. Balloons that fail these tests are discarded or recycled back into the production process. This ensures that every balloon that reaches a store or party is safe, strong, and ready for fun. Once quality checks are complete, the balloons are ready for packaging. They are carefully folded, counted, and bundled into sets. Packaging machines may seal them in plastic bags or boxes, often with colorful designs that match the balloons inside. Some balloons come with printed designs, like cartoon characters or celebratory messages, which are applied during the manufacturing process using ink or heat transfer techniques. Balloons don't just stop at basic round shapes. Innovation in manufacturing allows for a wide range of designs. Long, twisting balloons for balloon animals are shaped using special molds and careful control of the latex thickness. Foil balloons, which can hold helium for much longer than latex balloons, are made differently. Instead of latex, they use thin sheets of metallized plastic, which are cut, shaped, and heat-sealed to form the final product, transforming raw material into a flexible, inflatable form that brings joy. Even the color and transparency of balloons can be precisely engineered. Manufacturers can adjust the amount and type of pigment to create vivid, opaque colors or transparent, see-through effects. Metallic finishes and glitter coatings are added using additional layers or surface treatments, resulting in eye-catching balloons that dazzle at events. Some balloons are designed for special purposes, like water balloons or giant parade balloons. These require extra care during production. Water balloons are made thinner and with a slightly different latex formula to ensure they burst easily when filled. Parade balloons, like the giant character balloons you see in holiday parades, are made from reinforced sheets of latex or polyurethane, with seams carefully heat-sealed to prevent leaks during inflation. Automation has transformed balloon production in modern factories. Large-scale machines can mix latex, dip molds, dry balloons, and even perform quality control at incredible speeds. Despite automation, skilled technicians remain crucial to oversee the process, troubleshoot issues, and ensure each batch meets strict standards. The combination of advanced machinery and human expertise allows factories to produce millions of balloons each year, ready for celebrations around the world. Packaging, transport, and storage are also carefully considered. Balloons are compressed to save space and protected from extreme temperatures and sunlight, which could weaken the latex. Once they arrive at stores or online distribution centers, they are ready for purchase by party planners, event organizers, or anyone looking to brighten a celebration. From start to finish, the journey of a balloon is a combination of natural materials, chemistry, artistry, and precision engineering. What starts as raw latex collected from trees ends up as a fun, colorful object that can float, twist, and bring smiles to millions. The next time you see a balloon bobbing in the air at a birthday party or decorating a festival, you can appreciate the incredible process that brought it to life. Balloons might seem simple, but making them is a complex, fascinating process that blends science and creativity. Each balloon carries with it the skill of technicians, from colorful latex dipped over molds to shiny packaged sets ready for parties. Balloons are a perfect example of how raw materials transform into something magical. So the next time you're at a store, planning a party, or just admiring a floating balloon on the street, remember the journey it took, from a tropical rubber tree to a final, celebratory masterpiece. If you've ever wanted to try your hand at balloon art or decoration, now's the perfect time to pick up a pack and see what you can create. Bring the magic home. Grab your favorite set of balloons, inflate them, and let your imagination soar. Watch as simple latex transforms into vibrant shapes, adding color and excitement to your event. Don't just observe the process, experience it. Fill your room, yard, or party with floating bursts of joy and become part of the incredible story of balloons. Celebrate, create, and have fun, because every balloon is a little piece of magic waiting to lift your spirits.